Hello from the HighScaler team. Welcome to our setup guide for LocalAI. This video provides a comprehensive overview of installing and using LocalAI. It is a versatile, open-source alternative to OpenAI. With LocalAI, you gain the power to perform local inferencing, enabling you to run large language models and generate images, audio, and more, all on consumer-grade hardware or within your on-premises infrastructure. Notably, LocalAI is designed to function without the need for a GPU, making it accessible to a wider range of users. So, LocalAI provides these features: model support like text generation, text-to-audio, image generation, etc. Let's start. So to run LocalAI, we need Docker, Python, pip, which is a Python package manager, and Gradio for interactive UI. Let's start with Docker. To install Docker, you can follow its official documentation. Let's check what's running in Docker for now by using Docker ps. Currently, Ollama is running. We will also prepare a setup guide for that. Now, let's pull a Docker image for LocalAI models. Let's follow this link. Here is the list of Docker images of models based on CPU and GPU. So we can run LocalAI on the CPU as well, but it's a bit slow. Let's go with GPU. Now, let's check the CUDA version by using this command. The CUDA version is 12.3. Now we go with GPU with CUDA 12 listed models. Let's copy and paste this Docker command. Before that, we need to check if there is anything running on the same port. So, Ollama is running on the same port. So, let's change the port. Now we run LocalAI on 8082. Now, let's check Python and pip. It's already installed. Let's set up a virtual environment by using this command. Now install Gradio using this command. Also, we need a request package to call the LocalAI endpoint from Gradio. It comes by default, no need to install it. Now create a file main.py and paste this code. This code gives us a Gradio interface, which interacts with the LocalAI endpoint. LocalAI is running here. Don't be confused with this port, it shows the default port number, but we run that on 8082. So we use that in Python. Let's execute our main.py file code by using this command. It gives us a link. When you click on it, you get a Gradio interface. Now let's test this with a few prompts. Amazing, it's too fast. Because it loads the whole model in our local machine. So it's working too fast, but at the same time, it needs more resources on GPU. But if we go with the CPU, it will be a bit slow as it puts a lot of processing load on the CPU. For small models, it's working smoothly. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe to us for more content like this. Have a good day, guys.